If you had superpowers, what would you like to fix first? GST law or GST portal?
Neither of them.
Hello everyone. I welcome you all to one another episode of our WOW series, Words of Wisdom, conducted by CA students. The idea of WOW series is to learn from winners and be the winners of tomorrow. On this platform, we invite eminent chartered accountants from various fields and verticals to share their journey with us. Before we begin, let me take a moment to talk about the TWC, the Winner's Circle. It is a vibrant community of CA students that strives for creating a space for learning, networking, and growth. And true to our tagline, from peers to professionals, we are committed to serving this profession just not for days, but for decades ahead. We have also started with our very first project anthology named Education, wherein CA aspirants across the country have participated and published their write-ups and which would be publishing in a very own anthology. So make sure you're connected with us on all our social media platforms. So today, we are truly fortunate to have with us a seasoned CA who is an expert in one of the complex subjects of business world. She is an expert in GST, service tax, VAT, a combination of all complex laws. Beyond her CA qualification, an orator in big public forums such as ICI, BCS, advocating the integration of AI and GST in practice, and also making a valuable contribution to professional development and growth of the fraternity. अब मैम को बुलाते हैं एक खूबसूरत शायरी से। कारोबार में जीएसटी की हर उलझन जो भी लेकर आए हैं, हर मुश्किल में बस आपको ही पाए हैं, जो खुद अपने आप में एक जीएसटी की किताब है। आइए इस रोचक जीएसटी के सफर को शुरू करते हैं और आज के गेस्ट मानसी मैडम को टीडब्ल्यूसी के मंच पर आमंत्रित करते हैं। Now I would like our TWC members to take this event forward with their interview question.
Based on your struggles of success, how do you feel indirect taxation domain is? Is it say monotonous, or do you feel there is thrill on everyday basis?
Okay. So definitely not monotonous, very dynamic, I would say. And agar I compare the indirect tax or GST profession, so it is like my son, you know. I feel my son who's 5 years old and GST is 8 years old. So both are very similar. The moment you feel you know them, they completely change. So the moment we feel कि भाई जीएसटी सेटल डाउन हो गया, अब चीजें स्ट्रीमलाइन हो रही है, things change. So that is how it never lets you get bored. It never lets you out of work. No specific due dates apply to us like income tax and audits. And luckily our due dates are also never extended. So it is a subject which will never let you feel monotonous, at least for some years from now, because still, as I said, it is very young. The law is still progressing, developing, growing, and adapting to the business environment that has been changing so frequently. So definitely no monotonous, very dynamic. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Truly agree with you. GST law is something जिसमें amendments आते ही रहते हैं. And just like you mentioned, अभी recently भी GST rates में काफी changes हुए हैं. So by the time you learn something new is already on the table.
Correct.
So, ma'am, continuing to that, from a CA student's perspective, I would like to ask you that would you recommend that a CA aspirant should select GST during his articleship?
So my answer cannot be a yes or a no, because ideally I would say the CA aspirant should have a flavor of GST, but when he or she chooses to pursue, so they should at least first know what is on their plate before, settling for something कि मुझे यही पसंद है. अगर मैं वैसे जाऊंगी तो नो, आई लाइक दिस डिश, आई हैव ओनली दिस वन. तो वैसे करने के जगह पे वी शुड ऑलवेज प्रेफर टू know about all the fields. Because अगर जैसे कि मैं बोल रही हूँ कि I specialize in GST, but if I only know GST and if I don't know income tax, audit, accounting standards, then I might end up giving wrong kind of a solution to my client. Because the field of accounts and finance is so interrelated that though if you might go and specialize into one particular area, doesn't mean you should not know the other aspects of the other laws. So I feel yes, knowing GST would be very good, but only practicing in GST area might they can pursue it later on. So currently articleship का period जो है, it is only 2 years. अभी आप बोलोगे कि मैडम 2 साल है और मैं बोल रही हूँ only 2 years. So we are from a batch wherein we did our articleship for 3.5 years. हमारा सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट आर्टिकलशिप ड्यूरेशन था 3.5 years, एंड वी डिड इट विथ आर बीकॉम. वी डिड इट simultaneously. So my FY BCom I was in FY BCom. My college started, first year BCom college started later on, and my articleships had started prior to that. So that is how it is. So definitely 2 years you should learn everything. Go for an organization who will not give you areas but would give you clients to handle. So when you are dealing with client, one thing definitely you would know his or her problem, और उसके हिसाब से you will try to give a solution. Now it is okay if you are not going into practice in future, you might do job or something like that. Even that is okay, but आपको किसी को face करने की capacity मिलेगी when you are into client facing kind of a thing. If you are always doing one particular thing, then you are restricted to that particular area, is what I feel. And मुझे तो ऐसा ही लगता है कि आपका इंक्लिनेशन आपको पता नहीं रहेगा जब तक कि मैं क्या अच्छा कर सकता हूँ. How can you decide where to go and how to pursue anything in depth? Then you feel कि ये करने से मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है, I'm not liking it. But when that happens, because आपने अभी अगर आप एक ही चीज कर रहे हो and you have not tried something else, or you have not taken the whole flavor of that dish, then definitely you are going to miss out on something. And then you will not be realizing कि भाई मैं ये चीज में ज्यादा अच्छे से कर सकता था. Only if you do it, and articleship is such a wonderful thing which gives you an option to make mistakes, to learn, and to say no, I don't know. So I remember the first time I was given a balance sheet, my cash was going negative. And I clearly remember that my cash was going negative, and with that I had taken it to my boss, and my boss was like, "Beta, how can cash be negative?" I'm like, "Sir, मैंने तो सारे calculation से डाल दिया, cash negative ही है." Okay, so again, I mean, very interesting. And again, ऐसे बहुत सारे किस्से के मैंने इनकम टैक्स का पिछले साल का ही फॉर्म में करंट ईयर का डेटा भर दिया था. So these small mistakes that we make might happen only when you are doing articleship. अगर यही चीज आप सीए बन के करोगे तो people will say कि भाई सिर्फ I mean you are CA, but do you add value? And we should understand that from day one we should not think of specializing into anything, because when I am into practice, so I get to meet CA students, and when they come they say I want to do investment banking, I want to do this, I want to do audits, I want to do taxation. Very good. मुझे एक सोच के अच्छा भी लगता है कि भाई this generation has clarity कि उनको क्या करना है. But again, making up your mind just on the basis of reading or knowing something might not end up very well. Better go through the process and then decide. So that will be a better way to decide on how you can pursue further. And definitely the question again, we come back to the question कि you should always have a articleship in a place where you get to learn all the aspects of being a chartered accountant. Yes.
truly agreed, ma'am. I feel that your answer has clearly justified about the for the clarity about this dilemma that we should go for a specific domain or an overall exposure.
So building upon that, I just want to ask you that what is that one dream GST project which you would like to work on someday in your life?
Okay. So again, there is not a specific one project, but I would definitely like to work on a project where AI becomes an enabler in helping or streamlining the businesses and automating their processes so that they can focus more into other strategic decision making areas. So if I can use that, in fact, we are working on this in our office. We are trying to automate the processes with the help of AI so that, the mundane tasks that we are doing on a day to day basis can be taken over or can be replaced by AI, and the person can learn and do other things. So it is not about a lot of people say कि jobs निकल जाएंगे या people will not be employed या job नहीं मिलेगी, but I don't think job नहीं मिलेगी, but it will definitely give you time to do things which otherwise you are not able to do it. जैसे कि अगर मुझे एक रूटीन काम करना है ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस, आई वांट सर्टेन एनालिसिस ऑफ इट on a day to day basis, then instead of asking a person to do it, AI can, with the help of AI, it can be done, and the other person can use his or her time to analyze that thing. So somewhere I would like to contribute to that thing because it is still very new and still developing. So definitely using of AI to automate certain processes. And the other project which I would like to undertake is have a client who has registrations in all states. So currently, independently, I am not doing that. So I would definitely like to take up that challenge of, catering to a client who has such multifaceted business and, be an enabler for that kind of a client in his compliance and the other areas of GST wherever we can help them. So that is the two projects you can say which I look forward to. Few things are already relating to AI. We are trying to do it, but definitely when we are able to take it up to that scale, I feel I would have achieved that goal of mine.
So, ma'am, on just this similar explorations and just out of a simple idea, we have created this student community for all the aspiring CS. हमारा tagline भी है peers to professionals का. And ma'am, our very first project on this line is an anthology project for CA students जहाँ पे हम write-ups लेके CA student की various life phases, journey phases को publish कर रहे हैं. And the project is called Education. So, ma'am, from all of us, I would like to know that what are your views on this project?
So जब मुझे I could understand, I came to know about it when Dhairya called me to discuss about it, okay, we are doing something like that. Frankly, phone pe I couldn't follow so much. Then I went to your YouTube channel and I think first video we have is about anthology and how things are, you all have explained it in quite detail. So I could understand that. And I felt it is a really nice initiative because our challenges are unique. So बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू ब्रिंग दैट आउट कि भाई द फेलियर इज नॉट बिकॉज बिकॉज अभी क्या होता है तू पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा होगा या यू आर नॉट डूइंग वेल और यू डोंट नो मे बी दैट इज वाई यू आर नॉट क्वालिफाइंग बट इट इज नॉट दैट सो समवेयर आई फील कि दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स गिव्स a lot of strength which is very much required. So as I said, I had seen so many failures and seen a rock bottom during that point in time. Confidence ki to matlab puri it was nil. I could say zero negative. I can say negative confidence, and frankly, I did not have that kind of strength to even think of doing something else. Maybe I was stuck there because somewhere I knew that was my final destination, and and my boss always told me that your generations will remember you if you qualify, Mansi, because I qualified post my marriage. And as I discussed earlier, it took me around 5 years to clear that one group. So at that point in time, if I could have such kind of a book wherein I could, read about people and their journeys, it would have definitely made a lot of difference. Though at our point in time, we had, people like my principal. Then there was one more relative in my family who was a CA. She guided me throughout this journey. She actually worked a lot on me. And again, it is like Jo Sona was, in an unpure form, or a diamond who was not polished, was completely polished and came out post the qualification. And कोई मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि people told me at that point in time कि it is okay, you are as good as a CA, but as good as a CA and being a CA is very different. And it has completely given me a different kind of a confidence. Now, post qualification, I have been able to, there's nothing in my dictionary which says I will not be able to do it. So, somewhere I feel this kind of a book would really help, or this kind of a project would really help people gain that kind of a confidence, and that too relating to the profession. Because, as I said, our challenges are unique, our experiences are going to be unique. So in that fashion, I feel it is a really good initiative. Yes. And
Great, ma'am.
the project of education that you all are, doing it is makes me feel very proud. And I will definitely like to read each and every story or the part of, that book. Yes.
Really means a lot, ma'am. Thank you so much. And hats off to your dedication and strengths. Like you describe, like from hitting to the rock bottom to shining like a diamond today. So, do you feel that participating in such projects would help students to discover their hidden strengths?
Definitely. So, I would not say my articleship was very perfect, but still this goes back to that time when our bosses used to push us to go to such events, and we always felt कि तो चलो थोड़ा जल्दी निकलने मिल रहा है तो हम घर जाएंगे. But if I go back to look again, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, अगर शायद मैंने तभी से स्टार्ट किया होता तो though I am not at a very bad place currently, but I would have still been further in that journey of mine. मतलब अभी जैसे कि मैं बोलूँ तो I am at a position, but अगर as a student if I would have done तो maybe शायद मेरा confidence भी ज्यादा होता. I would have felt कि भाई नहीं, अगर मैं ये चीज भी कर रही हूँ, ये भी कर पा रही हूँ, तो शायद मैं ये इसमें भी कर जाऊंगी. And that kind of a support and a team that you build up at such events or during such participations, it is very different and it continues. So when I started volunteering for such organizations, I have made amazing friends. And now I have that kind of a confidence that I can approach a person whom I don't know. I can call a person and talk to him for, a certain time, even if I have not met him face to face, or maybe I would have not met him. Or agar milne pe bhi, if I don't know that person, I still have that courage to go and introduce myself. So this courage I never had in the past. I would always wait for somebody to ask me about myself before speaking about myself. And that thing changed, because now when I am volunteering, I am talking to people whom I have never met. And मिले भी है तो भी मतलब very less brief period of time I can say. So if you can start early, nothing like it. And if not yet started, you can definitely start. जो लोग ये सब initiatives लेते हैं, I would say they are not different. I had a perception for quite a long time कि भाई they are all very brilliant people and they are all very perfect. So जैसे ही मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया, and if I say I could do it, so I feel all of us can do it. Because I was also an average student. And mind you, I will tell you, I and my son, we hold a mic together in our life. So when he was also, he had that confidence of taking a mic, going on the stage and speaking about things. I started my journey as a speaker, and as a mother, I can say. After in that stage of my life. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभी I can speak. If you give me a mic, I will be able to speak. Maybe still I will require a little bit of practice, but definitely I will do good about it in taking sessions, doing things, coordinating for the events. But the earlier you start, the earlier you get that kind of a confidence, and it gives you a good kind of a circle team to grow and work on your own self, because it is very important to work on yourself. Your studies will help your brain to develop, but this kind of activities will not only help your brain, but it will always also activate that creative side of your brain, which can really help you excel, not just grow. So that is how I would say that it is always good to start when you can, and take that journey of doing things, at least contributing somewhere or volunteering to some kind of a activity which you can relate to. Yes.
Absolutely agree, man. What I felt very interesting is that you just need to take the first step. क्योंकि आप पहला स्टेप लोगे तो दूसरी चीज सॉर्ट होगी, तीसरी चीज सॉर्ट होगी, ना धीरे धीरे ऊपर आ जाओगे. फ्रॉम एन अनदर पर्सपेक्टिव आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू मैम कि जैसे ही ये वाले स्पेस पे आप पहुंच जाते हो, तब एक व्हेन प्रोफेशनली पीपल आर डिपेंडेंट अपॉन यू, आपको एज अ वुमन यू हैव टू हैव दैट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. सो मैम माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी इज दैट फ्रॉम दिस अनदर परसेप्शन.
So I can recollect this from Indra Nui. She always said you can't have it all. So it is always on a day-to-day basis you have to set your priorities. And this, I don't think it just applies to a woman, but it applies to anybody who wants to manage multiple things. You have to set your priorities. Now there is a particular day where my son will require me the most. So definitely that is my priority for that particular period. Other day I might have a very important thing in the office, a very important due date in the office, or a very important client meeting. Then at that point in time, the priority is my office. So if you are able to prioritize and compartmentalize your things, you can do multiple things. You can work in various areas. Now there are certain days wherein we give our heart and soul to such an for any event that we are planning, and it is as good as planning. तुम्हारे घर का कोई फंक्शन का प्लानिंग कर रहे हो, वैसा ही होता है. So and definitely you all are actively doing things, so somehow you'll be able to relate to that कि वहां पे तुमको जब टाइम देना है तो there is no reward from of money or anything, but it is a satisfaction of doing thing that you get, giving it back to the society. So somewhere I feel that is very important. Then I would say there is a whole army of people who really help you day in and day out. So it can be parents, definitely. So parents have played a very, 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 though they, I am mentioning them now, but during the time when I was struggling to qualify, so parents, in-laws, my husband, for that matter, one of my friends says, "Ke Mansi, you are able to do so many things because your son is so nice, and you should give all the credit to him." So somewhere I feel ke मतलब जब तक तुम्हारे, I consider these people to be my pillar. So until and unless your pillars are not very strong, to grow or to make a building out of it is difficult. So somewhere when I leave my house, I'm not worried ke who will be taking care of my son. So this is the biggest blessing that I can say कि वहां से मुझे एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है कि I can do further. I can move ahead. I can do this. I can even do that. And I even know that when my house requires me, or when I am needed in the house, my office people will take care of my office. So it is not just that you have to have people at home. It is equally important to have people who are able to understand your different roles even in your office. And I am blessed to have such people around me who understands कि नहीं आज अगर ये है तो मैम might they manage, they are able to accommodate me, not just I accommodating them, but even they accommodate to me, and all the roles that I play. So somewhere that gives me a lot of strength to do various things and even study. So मेरे केस में जैसे मैंने बोला कि I and my son started holding the mic together. So before my son, I could drop my son to exams. My son drops me to my exam. And my husband always jokingly tells me that Mansi, you will go with him to his college also, because तभी तू भी कुछ तो कॉलेज में पढ़ रही होगी. So somewhere I feel you should not stop working on yourself. The moment you start, or I not start, you stop working on yourself, then you become like a stale water. So once the water is it is a life saving thing. तो जितना वो बहता है उतना वो प्योर रहता है. The moment it is hold up or held up at a particular place, it is stale. So it loses its value. So I think we should be like water, keep flowing, keep learning, rather than flowing, keep learning, keep growing, keep working on ourselves. So yes. And then we can manage all these things together. Sometimes it is overwhelming as well, but it gives a lot of satisfaction at the end of the day.
Really amazing, ma'am. Even we wish to have such supportive people behind us to carry forward this initiative. But the sun shines, but only he knows the burns behind that. So on that note, you have cleared your CA finals uh, after more than 10 attempts. So what message would you like to give to the students who never want to give up and be motivated in their journey?
Okay, so very, very interesting question. And I feel that, after listening to this part of my answer, even if I can motivate a single person, no, I feel I could do my job, because somewhere somebody had pulled my hand when I was struggling and taught me how it was to be done. I could come out of it. So I feel it is very important to understand a few things and go back to the basics. So basics means how we used to study in our 10th and 12th. As I said, our articleship duration was the biggest, the longest. We had 3.5 years. And I would definitely tell you it changes you completely. You are no longer a student. You become more of an auditor, though you like it or not. Though the audit was just a part of it, but I definitely became an auditor. And I felt पढ़ के मुझे सब आता है. And I always felt somewhere कि भाई फिर भी मैं पास नहीं होती. And at certain point in my life, I had lost complete hope कि मैं कर भी सकती हूँ अभी. I had to change myself completely, because somehow I had to get that focus back. I had to sit, study, forget the world. As I said in the beginning that we have to forget the world to study. So वो सब करने के लिए, और जहां पे तुम already you are earning, you have a family, you have certain commitments, and definitely हम एक टाइम तक ये सब चीजों को रोक पाते हैं. But after a certain point in time, it is not in our hands. फिर भी I gathered that courage. I used to go to the library from 8 o'clock in the morning and we used to sit there till 11 o'clock. And मतलब दीवार के फेसिंग मेरी ये रहती थी, चेयर रहती थी, मुझे कोई नहीं दिखता. Only the people who used to sit in front of me, I could recollect their faces. So मेरे साथ ऐसा भी हुआ है कि after coming out of my library when they meet me now, अभी तो ठीक है, बट स्टार्टिंग में कुछ पीरियड तक आई कुडंट रिकलेक्ट हु दिस पीपल वर, बिकॉज मैंने कभी उनको देखा ही नहीं था. The moment I used to get up from my chair, I used to go out, take a break, and come back quickly. And that was also timed. So from thinking कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी to even timing the breaks was a very different, or it was very much necessary, I would say. जैसे ही सीए में आपके नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स बढ़ते हैं, तो योर मेहनत और हार्डवर्क हैज टू मल्टीप्लाई. It cannot be added, it has to multiply. Somehow I feel that. And because what changed for me was dedication. देखो, hard working, all people work hard, but नेगेटिविटी साइड में रख के कि इतने टाइम तक नहीं हो पाया, वो समवेयर आई हैड टू एक्चुअली इमेजिन. मैं पहले जब पढ़ाई करने बैठती थी ना, तो मैं ये सोच के बैठती थी कि पास, मैंने टाइम अपना जो ये रहता है ना मार्कशीट, वैसा मेरे डायरी में मार्कशीट बनाया था, वेर इन हर एक पेपर में आई हैड गिवन माई सेल्फ 60 मार्क्स एंड नीचे बहुत बड़े अक्षरों में पास लिखा था. सो हमारे टाइम पे वो पास और फेल होता था. आई थिंक इट हैज चेंज्ड नाउ. सो आई हैव रिटन इट इन वेरी बिग लेटर्स पास, बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू बिलीव इन माई सेल्फ कि वो फेल से वो पास हो सकता है somehow. And writing of papers, which I had only done in my last 2 attempts where I actually qualified. और जब मैंने बोला कि ये मैंने सारे चेंजेस किए मेरे में, क्या I studied for more number of hours, या फोकस किया, टाइमिंग से स्टडी किया, तो राइटिंग पेपर्स रियली हेल्प्ड मी अंडरस्टैंड कि इट इज ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं लिख के आ रही हूँ और मुझे मार्क्स नहीं मिल रहा है. समवेयर whatever I am reading, I am not able to reproduce or reiterate those things into the paper. जो मुझे knowledge is one thing, but able to write it is a different story altogether. So that switch never happens. So I still struggle till today when I go for my LLB exams. तो मैं जब पढ़ के जाती हूँ, तो मुझे जब लिखने बैठती हूँ ना, तो वो एक स्विच है विच आई रियलाइज इट नाउ कि भाई मुझे अभी रीडिंग मोड से राइटिंग मोड पे आना है. सो दैट इज अ वेरी बिग चेंज. सो व्हेन वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस डिफरेंस, नो कि वी हैव टू राइट इन एग्जाम. We don't have to study to read and understand things. Obviously, we have to study and understand things, but हमको सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं है, हमको लिखना है. The moment we are able to take that shift of understanding that we are supposed to write a paper, we're not just supposed to read or complete the curriculum. Completing curriculum is one aspect. Definitely, I couldn't leave anything in. मेरे लिए वो ऑप्शन जैसा कोई चीज नहीं था. I had to study everything to be confident कि मैं लिख पाऊंगी. But उसको छोड़ के भी, इनफैक्ट मुझे I could score very well in my accounts paper when I had actually worked on the formats more than the adjustments or things. जब मुझे फॉर्मेट पे मैंने काम किया, तो I understood कि भाई मेरी लाइफ कितनी इजी हो गई. When I was writing the paper, मुझे सोचना कम पड़ा, बिकॉज मैंने पहले ही फॉर्मेट्स बना दिए थे. वेरी बेसिक एग्जाम्पल दैट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव, कि वो बेसिक पहले से ही सेट था, बिकॉज आई हैड वर्कड इवन ऑन फॉर्मेट्स एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम. तो वैसे ही जब हम एफएम के और बाकी सब पेपर्स के क्वेश्चंस करते, तो जब पढ़ते, अब एफएम पढ़ लिया, अच्छा याद रह गया. एंड मेरे लिए सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन तभी था, वो मोमेंट के भाई मुझे नहीं आता है ये क्वेश्चन, या मैंने अभी 5 मिनट पहले किया था, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू राइट इट. I understood only when I started writing the papers. So if you have not cleared in past, get your papers, check where you made your mistakes, and एक chapter खत्म हुआ, write the exams. You get those kind of test series, which not, I don't know, during our time people were not aware, and people used to लिख के ये देखते, लिटरल लाइब्रेरी में मुझे देखते थे कि ये इतना क्या लिख रही है, what is she writing? तो समवेयर, यस, पीपल यूज्ड टू फील कि ये क्या लिख रही है. इतना पेपर कहाँ से लाई है लिखने के लिए. So I had opted for those kind of test series wherein chapter wise test series I used to write down. I used to write down half time ka and then final ka, and past papers and everything. Though past papers में से कितना ही आता है, but it gives you confidence to write. So I think that is all about it. If you start not just reading, if you start writing, then definitely you will see the change. You yourself will be able to assess के मुझे कितना आता है, and that will make the whole difference. Yes.
Truly, truly very insightful, ma'am. Even I feel today CA aspirants are quitting after one or two attempts, but your journey is a true definition about the dedication and consistency you had in your journey. So now I would like to move on to a rapid fire concept which we have. So I'll ask some question and you need to answer it quickly.
Sure.
Okay. So what excites you the most, GST law or the company law?
GST law. No doubt.
Okay. Okay. One, if one were to describe GST compliance in India today,
One word to GST dynamic.
and if you had superpowers, what would you like to fix first, GST law or GST portal?
Okay, so what I would like to fix, neither of them. I would like to fix the way things have been implemented, but portal is doing its job, I feel, and I don't think GST law also needs fixing, but yes, it will grow at its own pace.
Amazing, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So last but not the least, what you would choose, friend circle or the winner circle?
So I would like to combine them both. Winner circle को भी friend circle में include करके we'll make it a friend circle only, I feel.
Amazing, ma'am.
Great, ma'am. Great. So now I would like our official MOC Vedant to give the closing remarks.
On behalf of the Winner Circle, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our guest speaker, C. Mansi ma'am, for taking her valuable time and sharing her inspiring thoughts and her personal experiences with us today. Your journey and positivity have truly given us new perspectives and motivation to move forward with clarity and confidence. In a nutshell, the learnings from this event would be how articleship is the best experience for you to learn how to be never be dependent on anyone and always listen to your will. Have a hobby and also be firm on all your decisions. It's my absolute honor to announce that once anthology, that is Education, is published, the Winner's Circle team will be providing CA Mansi ma'am a token of gratitude for being the TWC ambassador. A big thank you to all the audience for joining us in the session. Your presence and enthusiasm keeps such initiatives alive. At TWC, our vision has always been from peers to professionals, and sessions like this remind us that learning never stops and inspiration is anywhere. Just we have to find the real thing. With that, I conclude with today's WOW episode. Thank you once again for joining us, and we look forward for meeting you in another episode of WOW series. Till then, stay inspired, stay connected, and always remember, stay winning with the Winner's Circle. Thank you. This is Vedant Devdutt signing off.